Hola, me da mucho gusto que me acompañes un día más en mi canal. Seguimos con la temática navideña. Hoy vamos a hacer un maquillaje semi fantasía, o sea, un delineado gráfico, pero con notas de fantasía. No olvides suscribirte, darle like, comentar y compartir este video y activar la campanita para que no te pierdas de ninguno de mis videos. En este video no voy a hablar ya que es algo bastante sencillo que no necesita gran explicación. Bien sencillito que puedes hacer en máximo 10 minutos sin ningún filtro. Así es que vamos, acompáñame.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5, 10-year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait, our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Y aquí está el resultado final. Puse gloss en mis labios, lo que no hago mucho, y me tocó corregir un poquito porque se veía No se veía así como que muy bien, me tocó perfeccionarlo. Apliqué mucho más rubor y sellé lo que era mi base porque no estaba sellada. Te lo enseño desde cerquita, aunque es muy sencillo, luce bastante bien. La verdad es que quería ponerle dorado, pero no sé por qué razón ya no encontré mis delineadores. Se me perdieron muchas cosas, pero es porque mis hijas las agarran. Me encantó, muy sencillo, muy nice. Y puede ser un delineado gráfico si no quieres que se vea muy fantasía, no apliques tanto rubor. Me despido de ti y te mando muchos besos hasta donde estés. Espero te haya gustado. Bye.
Por favor, no te olvides de darle like a este video, comentar qué te pareció y compartirlo con todos tus amigos. Si eres nuevo, suscríbete y activa la campanita para que no te pierdas de ninguno de mis videos. ¡Chao!